Creating custom event categories is a great way to stay organized. Each event category can have a different name and color assigned to it to better differentiate the types of events on your calendar at a glance. First, navigate to the calendar from the main menu on the left. Click on the Options button and select Categories and Locations from the drop-down menu. By default, TutorBird already has a few categories created to help you get started, like Lesson and Birthday. On the Categories tab, click on the Add Category button. Give your new category a name and choose a color to represent it on the calendar. You also have the option to use this category to enable or disable email and SMS reminders, block dates, and use makeup credits, and more. Now you're all set! Here's a quick way to see what your new category does under the Reminders column. An envelope icon will tell you if email reminders are enabled for this category and how much notice is given, and a speech bubble does the same for SMS message reminders. A recycling symbol will tell you if makeup credits can be issued and used for this category. When you create a new event, you can now see your new category in the Category drop-down menu. If you have any questions or feedback for us, please email us at support@tutorbird.com.